Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines designed for small spaces and efficient laundry care. Today, we will take a closer look at the FADSK portable washing machine and the Yelltimer portable washing machine. Both products offer unique features and specifications that cater to users looking for convenience and functionality. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Yelltimer portable washing machine takes the lead with a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters compared to the FADSK She's 15 liters. This extra capacity can be beneficial for users who need to wash more items at once, making the Yelltimer a more efficient option for small loads of laundry. Next, let's discuss the control interfaces. The FADSK portable washing machine features a traditional push-button control, while the Yelltimer offers a modern touch control panel. The touch control may provide a more user-friendly experience, allowing for easier operation and settings adjustments. Lastly, let's examine the materials used in these machines. The FADSK Kaj is constructed from TPE and food-grade silicone, which may offer durability and safety for washing delicate items. In contrast, the Yelltimer is made from ABS, a common plastic known for its strength and lightweight properties. The choice of material can impact the longevity and usability of the washing machines. In conclusion, both the FADSK Kaj and Yelltimer portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Yelltimer offers a larger capacity and a modern touch control panel, while the FADSK Kaj provides a foldable design and food-grade materials. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, either could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.